Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Honda Accord glove box. First, gather your tools, like a Phillips head screwdriver and a small pry tool. Next, make sure to empty the glove box entirely so nothing falls out during the process. Then, locate the two stopper tabs found on the upper sides of the glove box opening. These are key to releasing the unit. Once you've located the tabs, gently push inward on both sides of the glove box to release them. This will allow the glove box to drop down further. Next, you'll see a small dampener arm on the right side. Carefully disconnect this. Finally, lift the glove box upwards slightly to unhook it from its lower hinges, which are usually just simple pivot points. With the lower hinges unhooked, you can now pull the glove box straight out to complete its removal. Reinstallation is straightforward. Simply reverse the steps. First, align the lower hinges and pivot the glove box back into place. Then, reattach the dampener arm. Finally, ensure the stopper tabs are properly seated when you close the glove box for a secure fit. People often remove their Honda Accord glove box to access and replace the cabin air filter, which is crucial for air quality. Another common reason is to install various aftermarket accessories, like a new stereo or wiring for dash cams. It's a simple process that opens up many possibilities for maintenance and upgrades. Also, while you're checking out the description for other deals, be sure to look for a link to Darn Tough Socks. They offer a lifetime warranty and are incredibly comfortable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.